So today I updated my CacheOS and I wanted to start my virtual machine. I got this error. I'm currently on kernel 6.15, which is relatively new. And when I went to CacheOS forum, I already found that somebody reported this error. And this usually happens when you have the newest kernel and the programs didn't catch up. So this is the problem from VirtualBox, and until VirtualBox fix it or make a patch, you can't run VirtualBox on your CacheOS. So what they suggest is to switch to older kernel, or should I say long time support. And this is what I'm gonna try to do and see if it helps. By default, CacheOS installs the latest kernel and they have their own version. And currently this is 6.15. And if you have VirtualBox installed, in this folder, you should have the folder name with the version of your kernel. And here on CacheOS, I tried CacheOS LTS kernel, but that didn't work for me. The only thing that worked was Linux LTS. I think that is the Arch kernel. So the thing you need to do first is to uninstall VirtualBox. So you can do that with this command. I already uninstalled it. And the other one is this package. So then you can go to kernel manager. So the thing you want to do is first install this Linux LTS and click on execute. And when it's finished, just press enter. And this is now important. You need to restart your machine at this point. Don't just go and remove this kernel right away, because you will be left with no kernel. So I will just restart my virtual machine. And as you can see here, it has Linux CacheOS, Linux LTS kernels. Go ahead and boot to Linux LTS. And now you can start your kernel manager again. And this time I will just remove CacheOS latest kernel. Click execute. Yes. Now press enter to exit, and now you can again restart your computer. And now when you start your computer, it should have only one kernel. And now you can install your VirtualBox with these commands. So first you install the modules, but LTS version, and then you just install VirtualBox. And here you can choose one. So now as you can see, I'm on LTS kernel. And in these folders, I have modules just for this kernel. I tried having both the newest kernel and LTS, but then VirtualBox just wouldn't work. But now when I start my VirtualBox, it starts normally. And depending on your distribution, the procedure for changing kernels will probably be different. So you might want to look up how to change kernel in your own distro. And like I said, only rolling distros will probably have the newest kernel, maybe even Fedora. I haven't checked if they switched already. But the rest of you who just use non-rolling distros, you probably won't have this problem. And that's all.